BlackboxMyCar started 10 years ago this month from a small hobby that I started while I was at UBC. My mom specifically got into an accident where she had to go through a long process to figure out who's really at fault. Long story end, she wasn't at fault, and we found this technology called dashcam from Korea, and we started using one. And I started thinking, gee, maybe I should start bringing these units over and make a business out of it. So that's all how it started.
You've probably seen some wild dash cam video from police cars in the States or just about any vehicle in Russia where dash cams are all the rage. You know, they're not very common here, but that may soon change. And joining us now to talk about dash cams, Alex Jang, a UBC student who has a dash cam business.
That's right.
Thanks for joining us.
Media coverage in our early years helped us significantly. And it all sort of happens very naturally, but at the same time, unexpectedly. A lot of our employees here at BlackboxMyCar, a lot of our team members, especially our management as well as senior members, many of them have been with me for more than 6-7 years. And we have this trust within our team members that we'll get through any difficulties that surface around, running a business.
$10 years, yeah, wow, it's a huge milestone. I mean, I've been here for just over 3 years, so not even half of that, but we've already grown so far in just the 3 years that I've been here. So I can't imagine the growth that came from, year one when Alex was just working on his own at home. So it's pretty cool to see.
I mean, for 10 years, it shows that we're doing something right. And that's something to be proud of. We're providing solutions to people's problems when they go out driving and just making sure that people feel safe when they're on the road.
I think it means a lot. I think it's important that this is a small business, and it's very easy to come up with ideas for business, but to really keep that fire going for 10 years and to build on top of it is something aspirational.
Growth of the company also came with responsibility of creating better office environment, and at the same time just constantly having to find more space for our people. That's something that I didn't realize starting out of my own bedroom, my parents' living room, literally. I had people literally come in to the living room of our parents' townhouse back then. And I quickly realized I would like an office, and I really want an office that's also really good for our people, and that people find it Instagrammable even to take photos of. So I've had to work a lot on finding space, but not only that, to constantly kind of add more space. We were extremely lucky in a way that we're currently now in an office that I always dreamed of. I spent a lot of time in these parking lots. For those that know about this story, I always imagined I would build this office here at the Maycrest office for some reason, because it's just super convenient for the locals as well as for our employees that are coming from all sorts of different areas of the city. So extremely lucky, extremely grateful, and somehow it just meant to be that we're in this space that we always dreamed of.
Favorite part about the BBMC office? I mean, yeah, the sales area is a great place. It's quiet. I'm allowed to focus here. I can get my work done without being distracted too much. The fact that we are all interlocked too, each of the office spaces are connected to each other, so you can freely roam between them, check on your teammates, see how they're doing. I think that's one of my favorite parts about it.
I love the plants. I think Alex really has a green thumb, and he is aiming to fill this place with plants, and I think that's awesome.
What I like about working at the office is the staff lounge. I like the staff lounge because it's a nice place for everyone to just kind of relax after a hard day at work. We have Netflix and all that stuff, so if you want to just chill out, watch a movie, watch an episode of a show that we like, we just all gather and just get along there and just have fun.
We're also working on the future products, and we're very heavily geared towards exploring the idea of electric vehicle side. So to be specific, like EV charger side, we're very curious how we can sort of expand our offering on BlackboxMyCar website with the EV chargers that we that are needed for EVs, of course. And we also started a electrical company to be able to offer local installs of the EV chargers. And really, we're looking to use this time on the 10th year anniversary to plan another 10 year that we can go down. We want to build a team that can last. We're here because of you guys, because of the support that we've gotten for the past 10 years with you guys. And we look forward to serving more and new customers.